Wait. Sorry. Warrior Dream Series. So last 2023 thangzak. Apro angke song 6 jona thango. Ke 6 jon bising apro bahino koroksana hareo. This time angke ekdom katal pressure sangotalang thang. Ke bro katal ro bahino tebo bro bahino paskang ni tebo step pro upgrade ngana nango. Amon bagai this time song koroksa mo thango. Koroksa bisingo koroksa ke gold mangha te korona silver mangha.
Agam dina pom hai wan chung ro tong amon tu
ani wan chung okay ang no pila Tripura o MMA ko mane sini team ni bumo ka Tripura Legends MMA Academy kai MMA Academy no ablo song kotor khanyan planning khai tongo ablo song kotor ke kaisa academy chini academy ta kono aso belaina proper ke infrastructure ta kono khaime abo so hopefully datino song ablo khaya ni planning khai
Nini mong kita mo?
Amit Burasin.
Nora hasta habang ba edisi habang bisakte kono academy no te ba upgrade tene ba kono suba surog da mamur tong ba
Chuba cho 2 years askan song je pro Mumbai tham pro sono chuba surga this time but maximum time no ang jin sini no ang jin sini pro no tomani chana ne ang khaita ke thang khai sini personal pro there khayo but ar tomani chana ne joto ang jin ke ADC government ko kaisa planning chole tobo naigena bahayo
Oh game ki sip Mumbai simile chole na te all ka
joto state on chole ho but Mumbai na Warrior Dream Series au mona India ni kisa motor event no
last time sunu ka je father the country ni hasta ro ga gondor participate ma khaika hello ga buskan salo ba hai participate event fight no
tebo fight ho this year tebo song duita so game thon tebo planning chole to ar tebo senior so thang pinai age thumjak ro
Ani bunga Brandon de Burma ang Mumbai Warrior Dream Series of an adult 74 kilo ang final sogoi silver medal man thaka
ni opponent ke bom hai tap to mare
ani opponent tough tongone bo anjay kabang kilo tongone but ang muna accept thaka but ang bagi challenging onek ang quarter kok but ang muna onek tough fight dika but split decision of bojiti thaka
Oh events thumani norok bisbusuk noromai thongka
practice to ani more than 1.5 year tomoni but intense mane weight cut khane bagai ang abo 2 months hote ang onek clean diet ma cholika onek water cut ma kha onek bongka but ani ang jotonan thankful and coach no then teammates no then parents jijan log support khanai jotono no
nang kita mo
khane sikang bo jaga ro thongka no
ang to first time si ke first time and kam mane aro thanga ang kam experience ma kha
tamo man phekar na ke
ang silver ma kha
third position na second position
chani coach ni bo tamo
ani coach mu ga Omid Muras
agu tolao ba tiga hasta no ba jaga practice khai na
ang go ani coach ni under Tripura Legends train khayu
ang Mumbai kaisa event to money Warrior Dream Series ne mo every month of ungo ta mo time mo Mumbai ong kha jang Mumbai thanga ani coach no pe khega emne chini expansion bage the sponsor khaika coach no I'm thankful to him. I'm thankful to my parents to let me go. The Goldman money, only grateful. Opponent bo, काम ना तुम money.
ni coach ni mo category ho thumani tai ko bo opponent nin sab bo country diba ode sinda na hasta ni phata des ikla ke
Ani opponent Mumbai no training khayo Mumbai no go tongo je jagao thanga fit and fight club hinai mo gym ni no bo kaisa student de ang category khai under 18 tomani under 18 54 ya 58 kilograms.
Okay. Video ko norok sa editor khamem lakat na.
Ang Warrior Dream Series sangka Mumbai mo onek kotor event emne national level
খরবসুক থাকনাও ত্রিপুরানি
जों तीनजना थांगा त्रिपुरानि जुदि कोच मिल खाय चारजना थांगा था
category
कैटेगरी खाय under 18 58 किलोग्राम
nini mu
ani mumung khai ronojoti debroma
An Mungkai Samson Rangkal ang Warrior Dream Series Mumbai Triple Legends no represent kain thango national level tournament no ang guy under 54 o thungo weight under 18 no thungo ang bo ang final o sogui hari changa ani opponent kisa tough tongmani bo kisa mane kaham thungo bo pro thungjak guy an to first time abon bagi ang kisa mane nervous ngi kisa hari thanga final o
নেক্সট হতে কাম করতে
Tripura haste ba tola onor bo jaga practice khai ta bisi bosor dhore practice khai to
o jeng u Tripura haste
Tripura
বড় প্র্যাকটিস খাই
practice to u gym o khayo chini Triple Legends gym tongo o party oboi nogor but Buddha mandir ni uklogo